Lancaster Table and Seating's Trestle tables offer a sturdy surface and rustic appearance for your establishment. To assemble, place the iron side top brace upside down and align the brace support with the center of the iron side top brace. Feed 2 of the button nut screw caps into the pre-drilled holes from the brace support side and secure them with the button nut screws from the opposite side. Repeat these steps for the second brace support and iron side top brace. Secure the connector bar to the brace support using a combined screw along with 1 flat and 1 locking washer per screw. Place the locking washer, then the flat washer on the combined screw. Then secure the connector bar to the brace supports and tighten with the Allen wrench. Next, slide the table legs into the iron side top braces. The bottom of the leg should be parallel to the floor. Make sure that the bottom 4 legs are level before moving to the next step. Place the iron side bottom brace down the table legs to meet the connector bar at the pre-drilled holes. Insert the button nut screws from the outside of the iron side bottom brace. Then insert the button nut screw caps from the connector bar side. Repeat this step for the opposite side of the connector bar. Next, secure the iron side bottom brace to the legs by using a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill with the round cap wire screws at the pre-drilled metal holes on the brace. If using a drill, you can drill pilot holes through all the pre-drilled holes on the bottom brace. Then repeat the same steps to secure the top brace to the legs. Place and secure the adjustable foot pad at the bottom of the table base legs. Turn the base right side up. Secure the top of the legs with the iron side top brace using a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill with round cap wire screws. Put the tabletop on the base and center it. Secure using 8 cap wire screws with a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill. The assembly process is now complete. Lancaster Table and Seating's Trestle tables provide a great surface for your customers to enjoy their meal.